This is the continuation of my videos for nested if, and here I will be not making any breaks. So directly I'll be coming into the right prospectus. I'm going to show you how to do a nested if. When before making a nested if, I'm going to show you how to make a dated if. So it's not something like if, but we have some formula for checking the dates out. So it's called a dated if. So the difference between two dates can be submerged into a proper record. So so starting a dated if will be like equal to dated if open the parenthesis. So we have to you can see there is no guidance over here in the dated if. So you have to it's a word formula from other Excel, but still it's working here. So you have to check the creation date, comma, the submission date, so the ending date, comma. And if you want to see the day or a month, so D will be for the day and M for the month and Y for the year. So if you want to make into a check the day, you have to put double quotes and D double quotes, close the parenthesis. We got the answer. Same way, if you double click, you can get the answer for the different dates. So the problem, if you want to make into a month, check a month, you have to click it and delete and make it into M. So it will give you the month record. So if it's less than 1 month, it's going to make you a zero. So you have to be very careful. So if you want to make a year, it will give you zero. It will have not no data because it's not a year record here. So I'll be making into a D again. And sometimes you think that the dates are not being calculated properly. We can either plus, we can either add one, or you can or you can, if you feel it should be minus, also you can do minus one. So here you can see, and here you can see that the data is ready now. Now you want to make some sort of abbreviations or some sort of knowledge out of this. So if you want to make it like less than or equal to 5, so that I'll be showing in the next video how to make into a proper data record. So thanks for watching dated if.